Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm in my 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan. I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter. Alright, so I'm on the passenger side of the car. You have a glove box here. You're going to open the glove box. And then you see these two little latches right here. You're going to pull up on those latches, and then it'll fall down here. Alright, I'm gonna back the seat up a little. Okay, can't back the seat up. And then you'll see this box. And let's try to get an angle for y'all. Zoom out. This box right here. Alright, this is where the cabin air filter is housed. So my fingers are not the best, so I'm going to use a screwdriver to release the latch. You see right here, all you're doing is just releasing separate them from each other. I just put it in between it. This falls out, you pull it up, see the latch right there, or the hook, pull it out. So here's the top of it. You see that little knot? That's what you got to get off from the clip top. Alright, this is your air filter right here. You could pull it out if you can. If not, you could use that same screwdriver and use it to pry it out. And this is my cabin air filter. It looks dirty, but it originally was black. But I am going to change it today. So I got the old air filter out. If you noticed, when I was taking it out, the arrow on the air filter was down. So you got to make sure you put the arrow in the same direction. That's where the airflow is. So here I go, putting the new filter in. Just all you're doing is pushing it in. All right. So you just line it up to the box and just push it in. There you go, and you see my airflow is pointing down like how it was prior to with the old filter. To replace it, you just do the reverse. You're gonna hook these three notches at the bottom, make sure they're hooked in, and you just push this in. I should have heard the click. I did. You should hear it in the video. To lock it back, see this right here. So yeah, you just line this up. There's a hole in it. Line up the hole, push this through. Push it through. And if it's getting stuck right here, you're just gonna help it out by pulling up on it and then push it in. Voila. And you're good to go.